right, thank you. Okay, so I just got my first oil change. It was $75, but I was quoted $58. I'm not gonna trip, but it says $25 for labor, $41.13 for parts, and there's a miscellaneous charge for $276. The total charges was $68. Then they added the sales tax. That's how they got $75. So apparently they changed the oil and the filter. And this is at Mid Tennessee Ford. It's in Nashville. I live in Clarksville, which is an hour away. So now I'm just chilling and waiting till I go back to Clarksville. But anyway, it's my first oil change, guys.